In this question, we have six important principles. Principle 1 explains to us that fundamental rights shall be made applicable only to the legislative or administrative actions of the state and not the private actions. Principle number 2 explains to us that meaning of state, that is, what all includes within the ambit of state. Principle number 3 explains to us that the state shall provide and ensure fundamental right to free and compulsory education to all the children of the age of 6 to 14 years. Principle number 4 explains to us that state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the grounds of sex, religion, and place of birth. Principle number 5 explains to us that fundamental right of equality before the law means treating equals equally and unequals unequally. Principle number 6 provides that any law or administrative action of the state which takes away or abridges fundamental right guaranteed to the citizen to the extent of contravention shall be void. Facts in the present question are: Kavita Madhukar, the daughter of the famous freedom fighter late Raghu Madhukar, runs a chain of private unaided schools in the state of Madhya Bharat. Madhukar Vidyalaya introduces a new compulsory subject in the curriculum named Sex Education and Maternity Care for all the girls above the age of 11 years. Child rights activist Veena Dave challenges the new curriculum as violative of fundamental right of compulsory education and discriminates on the basis of sex. Now, if the state of Madhya Bharat enacts a legislation granting an option to all the students above the age of 11 years to choose for subject of sex education and maternity care, whether the same can be held in violation of fundamental right or not. In this question, the correct answer is B. That is, no, as the right to free and compulsory education does not mean compulsory teaching all the subjects to the students. We will be taking into consideration principle number 3, right? That is, if we read the principle in consonance with the facts which have been provided over here, we get to know that right to free and compulsory education does not bar the state from granting an option to choose a new subject. Further, granting such an option to all the students does not violate equality before the law. So therefore, applying the meaning of free and compulsory education under principle number 3 to the given set of facts, we get to know that the correct answer is B.